Long lip first, open. Finish, you open. The first, the last, you just couple. Like a breeder.
저렇게.
The first, the last, you couple.
아.
Bawa nak? Oh, ya. This is our food. We start from the basic sauce. Later you making peanut sauce. We have a green pumpkin soup, sweet spicy tempeh, chicken satay or fish satay, and then also we show you making a pepper chicken. We call roll fish in banana leaf. Also you making chicken curry, lawar Bali vegetable salad, and then black rice pudding. Okay. Black rice pudding with coconut milk on top. So don't worry, yeah. Later finish cooking class. Also, yeah, like a galanga, we have a singaler. Maybe you know, yeah. We have a 5. I already show you in the market. And then also kurkuma number 3, number 4. We have a regular ginger. And then we have a aromatic ginger. This is a regular ginger, okay? We have a 5. Also we have a lemongrass. So this is lemongrass. You can share. And then also we have a bay leaf, laurier, lorbeet, salam leaf. And then we have 3 different chili, yeah, medium spicy, no spicy, and then very spicy. What is it? Laurier, lorbeet, salam leaf, bay leaf. Maybe you use with the dry, we use it with the fresh. Also we have a calamansi, small lime, small and strong. Small and strong. And then also we have a macadamia, yeah. This is macadamia nut. So this is a black pepper. This is a white pepper. This is a coriander. And then this is red peanut. You use for making peanut sauce. Okay. And then for the seasoning, we have a soya sauce. We have a chopped celery. This is a chopped celery. Yeah. Not coriander leaf. Yeah. This is celery leaf. Yeah. Celery pudding.
이거 끓인다. 이제 엄마 옆에 더 있어? 뜨거우니까?
Because this is a little bit longer cooking.
아, 저쪽으로 가는 거야?
아니, 걔네야 보여. So firstly, I will teach you making black rice pudding. We have a sticky rice, we have a black rice, we have a palm sugar, we have a pandan, and then also later you just add a little bit salt, yeah, 1 pinch salt. Like 1 glass of sticky rice, 1 glass of black rice, around 8 glass of water. So in recipe book, I'm ready right, yeah? Like a 50-50. And then the firstly, you just boil the pandan. Pandan in, please. And then pandan in. Yes. And then sugar in, please. Alright. Yes. All of you like sweet?
Yep.
All of you like sweet? Yeah.
Do now.
Put it, oh. And then and then now this is sticky rice.
가방에
Also
다
sticky rice in.
그러면 바로 못 찍자.
그럼 엄마 이거 들고 있거나?
엄마 이거 해야 돼.
So this is the black rice, yeah. For the black rice, if you wash many times, the color stay black. This is look like a red wine.
Yeah.
I feel like based on how it's going, you might want that.
엄마 이거 할까?
Put the black rice in.
알았어.
엄마가 갔다
Good mom.
Grandmother.
It's like my mom in home.
That's how you do that. It is a cooking class, eh?
And then now we add little bit salt, yeah? Not too much salt, little bit salt. And then now you boil around the 45 minutes until 1 hour. You don't stay here 1 hour, just stir like that one. So this is a hot water. This is a hot water. Half hot water.
이거 봐, 신기하지?
Also rice steam, yeah? Soak 1 hour first. And then now steam 20 minutes. Okay, you have job. Putting the rice 20 minutes, yes. aromatic ginger, we have a garlic, chili, palm sugar, and then we add a little bit with the nut, yeah? Right. Let us swap them. And then, two of you, if you like grinded, you can grind it here. You can go to the fry. Let us wait, Joe. And then,
아, 맛있겠다. 어때, 도원아? 맛있겠어? 이거 나눠 먹는 거야?
엄마, how is this?
아, 좋다. 우리 날씨가 좋아.
얘는 not that good. 근데 여기는 진짜.
좀 일찍 와서 다행이다. 지금 몇 시야? 지금 12시 안 됐어. 아까 대원이 막 울고 있었어가지고 약국을 좀 갔다 가야겠어. 우리가 길거리 약국 있잖아. 들렸다가 술을 사야 돼. 가서 그 다리 뺐다고 하고 근데